Welcome. In front of me I have KOSPET Tank T3 Ultra 2, and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can press and hold on the screen to open the watch face menu. Once the menu opens, you can scroll through it by swiping left and right on the screen. Find the watch face you would like to use on your watch, and once you find it, you can tap on it to select it and apply it. And if your watch is paired with a phone, you can also use the phone application to change the watch face. Let's bring the phone here. Okay. And basically on the phone that is paired with your watch, you will need to open the Apex Move application with this icon. And once you open the app, you can tap on My, and here you should see your Tank T3 Ultra 2. And you can tap on there should be settings, but is it global settings? No. Oh no, my bad. First we need to tap on the watch itself, okay, to open the device page. And here we have watch settings. Oh, my bad. Watch settings, and then tap on watch face settings. And here we can change the watch face by simply selecting one and then tapping on apply. But you can also download additional watch faces. So if you go back to the device page right here, you can tap on watch face store. It will open the store for you, and you can look for something you like. You can tap on the watch face, tap on apply. It will start downloading and syncing to your watch, and once it's done, it will be applied, and you can basically enjoy it like this. Okay. And basically that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.